I'm Jay Francis, and I'm an arbitrator, mediator, and special master at JAMS. I was a United States magistrate judge in the Southern District of New York for 32 years. Before coming to the bench, I was a litigator doing impact litigation and class actions at the Legal Aid Society of New York. And after leaving the bench, I spent 2 years teaching full-time at CUNY School of Law. And I started at JAMS in March of 2020. My mediation style is flexible. Each case requires a different approach. For example, there are some cases where it's important for the mediator to take a strong hand and offer evaluations of the merits, make recommendations, and so forth. There are other cases where a much lighter touch is required. I prepare for a mediation by delving into as much background as I can, but also getting some understanding of the parties themselves, what their goals might be, what the history between them might have been, so that I can understand the dynamic of the mediation as it goes forward. In an arbitration, I think fairness is critical. And by that I mean that each party has the opportunity to develop and present to the arbitrator the evidence necessary to get to a result. I think it is important that the award be well-reasoned, based on the evidence, and understandable to the parties. As a former judge, I'm very much a generalist, but I would call out employment cases, complex commercial matters, and finally, cases that involve technology are of an interest to me, partly because while I was on the bench, I developed an expertise in electronic discovery. So anytime there's a relationship between the law and technology, it's attractive to me. Because I have a judicial background, it is pretty straightforward for me to segue into the special master work. So, for example, I've done a lot of discovery work on the bench, so that when I receive a special master appointment involving discovery disputes, I'm well equipped to do that. I think one of the unique things I bring to ADR is a willingness to withhold judgment until I've gone through a complete analysis of an issue. So instead of attacking the Gordian knot with a sword, I would analyze it for a while and try to figure out where the thread is that I need to pull. So it's that patience with analysis that I think I bring to ADR.